Please go, Murali. Today we are experiment. Brush glass in the water. First we are take the in this experiment one pot, water, glass and dry paper. Just we are dry paper on in the glass in the stuck in the glass. Just we are take the glass and imitate the water inside. But wait.
Only one time fast. Water is not going inside.
We are just watch the glass is empty, but not we are watching the empty glass, but not a empty glass is the air